Yes, I'm coming out with a book, which name is Keep Eating, Keep Losing, and it's a holistic strategy to basically help and assist people to reorganize their life and basically follow a healthy lifestyle. Because following it it will give you a lot of benefits. So therefore, in my book, I am trying to point and stress on three components: healthy eating, exercise, and rest. Because once you are following and organizing your life with those three, incorporating these three components, you will be really sorted, because many more benefits are there. You will not be probably experiencing any cravings or mood swings. You really can control those things with a healthy diet. And diet, you should not be paranoid about hearing diet. What it is all about following the healthy lifestyle, basically not compromising and not starving or compromising on any of your favorite dishes. It's incorporating it in such a way that your body will not be harmed and you will be still happy. Being a model and an actress, I started when I was 15 years old. I was like already walking the ramps. So my journey started very early. So I was always very passionate about, taking care of my own self, on my own body, because being in front of the camera, that's a part of your work probably. So, and that slowly and gradually has become really a passion of mine. And then being in India, I decided to study it further, and I became a certified nutritionist myself. And that's where the point has come, that I was just thinking, if I have all the knowledge to change other people's life, because I have changed my own life and I know how to do that, so why not to write it on the paper, basically in the form of book, and spread the awareness and help others to change their own life for the better, with a just probably small tips and guidelines which you will get inside that book. All of it is written. So that's how the idea has come from, because it has been a part of my life throughout. And so today the book is already in print, and it will be published very, very soon. And so that's how it came. I think all of them are fit, from Tiger Shroff to Amitabh Bachchan, name it. They all are following a beautiful exercise routine. They are all following a beautiful, diet. So I think I couldn't even name one who is really not following it, or who is like really having a health problem. I think all of them are super fit. And even if they were not, be it Alia Bhatt, be it Arjun Kapoor, they still lost so much of weight and tried the level best and did it without struggling much. Just some effort has to be put, and you can do anything which you probably today not able to imagine. So I think the Bollywood industry is quite fit, and I am really, really happy about that. My book, as soon as it's coming from print, all the Bollywood celebrities will get one copy of it, and definitely, I don't think so I will miss even one. Definitely, I would like to advise them to follow a beautiful, healthy lifestyle, eat regularly, eat on time, don't really compromise on your favorite dishes or favorite, snacks. Just try to incorporate everything in such a way that you will be happy and still you will be good in shape. So that's not a big deal, guys. Really, don't be paranoid about the idea of losing weight or being on diet. This is a beautiful journey which you just need to learn and probably change few tips, incorporate. Don't make the villain out of the gym, because the gym is also can be a hero. So this is one thing. Try to find any exercise which you are enjoying. If you don't like gym, don't go to gym. You can do yoga, you can do Pilates, you can do swimming, you can do horse riding, you can do climbing the mountains. There are 1,000 varieties what you can do. You can just do simply walking, and it will be also fair enough. So, but we have been built up in such a way that we need to be active. That's how our body is functioning. So be active, eat with your brain, applying a bit of brain, and you will be super fine. That's my promise, and that's what I am basically trying to say in my book, Keep Eating, Keep Losing. Thank you so much. Yes, I would be more than glad to give it to you one.
Like, it is very good. Drop chair. Yeah, look here, look here. Yeah, I want to. Wait, now. Yeah. Yeah, I want to. Yeah, look here. Yeah, I want to see. That.
My family is in the room, just